Hello friends. This is class 3 of the Fiverr course for beginners. In this video, we will see the remaining basic setting of the Fiverr seller account. I am Selena from Educational Alliance. So let's get started. Open your Fiverr account in any browser that you want. This is Fiverr main seller dashboard where we will do the remaining account settings before creating the first gig. Make sure you follow the step according to this video. This section is for description, you should describe. Here you will tell about yourself, whatever your skills are, whatever information you have, and whatever your skills are. Make use of targeted keywords for your profile as your profile can rank in Fiverr. I have made a description and I'm pasting it here. Then click the update button here. This section is used for selecting languages. Click on Add New and select your preferred language here and from the drop-down menu here and enter your preferred language. We recommend using a language such as English. From the drop-down menu select language level as per your expertise. I am going to select as native, bilingual for myself and then press Adds button here. OK. In this section, you can link your Fiverr account from other social media platforms like Facebook, Google, and many more as you see it here. For now, I'm going to skip this section. Here you need to add your skills. Click on it to enter your skill. I am going to write logo design. And from drop-down menu you need to select experience level of this skill accordingly. I am selecting as an expert and clicking on Add button here. You can add multiple skills as you want like this. Now input your educational details in this section by clicking on Add New. From this drop-down menu, you need to select the city name from you were awarded your degree or certificate. Then write the name of the university in this tab. Now select the degree from the drop-down menu that you awarded and here mention any specialization of your course if you have. I am inputting as graphic design. OK. Now selecting your completion of this degree from drop-down menu like this. Next in this section enter details of any special certificate regarding any skills. If you have then input, otherwise skip this section. I am entering Adobe Illustration from Adobe. In the next tab select the completion year of this certificate and then click on the Add button at here. OK, this section is sharing your profile, activities, and achievement to the public as you can get responses from them. You can manage this information as per your need. We never recommend making any changes in this section. All default settings seems to be fine and great. Just click on the Manage Setting New dialog box will have appeared here like this. As you see, all checked are marked over here as a default. You don't need to make any changes over here. That's it guys. This is all about the basic setting of your Fiverr profile. Thanks for watching this video.